Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate AWS Cognito for user sign-in in SaaS, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate AWS Cognito for user sign-in in your SaaS application, begin by navigating to the AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, locate the Amazon Cognito service in the list of services. Click on it to access the Cognito dashboard. Here, you can choose to create a new user pool or select an existing one. If you're creating a new user pool, click on the Create a User Pool button. Give your user pool a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Proceed to configure the attributes you want to collect from users during registration. This may include email, phone number, or name. After setting the attributes, configure the policies for password strength and user verification as per your security requirements. Continue by setting up app clients, which will allow your application to communicate with the user pool. Click on the App Clients tab and then add an app client. Provide a name for your app. Once the app client is created, note the app client ID and app client secret for later use. Now, navigate to the Domain Name tab to set up a domain for user authentication flows. Here, you can either use AWS default domain or set a custom domain. After configuring the domain, click on Create Domain. Next, move to the Federation section if you plan to enable sign-in through third-party identity providers. Configure the identity providers you want to integrate, such as Google, Facebook, or SAML. Once the user pool is fully configured, it's time to integrate it with your SaaS application. In your application code, use the AWS SDK for JavaScript or the appropriate SDK for your programming language. Set up the SDK with your AWS credentials and specify the region where your Cognito user pool is located. Implement the sign-in functionality by calling the Cognito user class from the SDK. Create a Cognito user object that includes the username and user pool details. To perform authentication, use the authenticate user method. Provide the password and a callback function to handle the result. If authentication is successful, you will receive access and ID tokens that are valid for a set duration. Store these tokens securely in your application for later API requests. To manage user sessions, consider implementing token refresh functionality. This ensures that users remain logged in without having to re-enter their credentials frequently. Test the entire authentication flow thoroughly to ensure a seamless user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.